Welcome to the YouTube channel of Legally Trust. This video is one of the series of educational videos that will be available on this channel under the category General Awareness.
Hello everybody. Today let's move on to the topic of sources of Indian Constitution. The drafting committee of Constitution looked into various aspects on how to bring in different perspectives which have been already experienced from across the country. Totally, they have added and brought in new features in our constitution. We have taken from around 11 countries certain features and brought it into our constitution, such like law of land, the Government of India Act 1935. We have taken the emergency provisions, the Public Service Commission, system of judiciary, federal scheme and officer of governor. So these aspects we have taken it from Government of India Act 1935. From United States of America's Constitution, we have taken the aspect of fundamental rights, which we have as part 3 of our Constitution, judicial review, impeachment of the President, removal of the Supreme Court and High Court judges, our preamble, and also the aspect of independency of judiciary. From British or from United Nations, we have taken the aspects of writ, which are the constitutional remedies, again explained under Article 32 of our Constitution, the parliamentary form of our government, the idea of single citizenship, parliamentary privileges, and the aspect of rule of law. The rule of law talks about that no man is supreme, everyone are below the God and the law. This concept of rule of law came into existence when Chief Justice Edwin Cook came across number of cases and also tried to understand the aspect of rule of law. According to him, he tells king is not above God and the law. This was taken up by A.V. Dicey in his book Law and the Constitution in the year 1888 and tried to understand what is the meaning of rule of law with 3 basic principles, trying to understand the aspect of supremacy of the law, equality before law, and predominance of legal spirit. So these 3 aspects were looked into by A.V. Dicey in understanding the concept of rule of law. Next, we have taken from Ireland Constitution the directive principles of state policy, which is as part 4 of our Indian Constitution, methods of election of our president, members, nomination to the Rajya Sabha by the president. We have taken from Constitution of Germany suspension of fundamental rights. During emergencies, our fundamental rights except Article 21 can be suspended. From Constitution of South Africa, we have taken amendments of our Constitution, the concepts of how do you amend, elections of members of Rajya Sabha procedures. From Constitution of Soviet Union, USSR, we have taken the aspect of fundamental duties, which are under Part 4A of our Constitution, ideas of social justice, talking about social, economic and political justice, which are enshrined in our preamble of our Constitution. We have taken aspects from Canada, the federalism with strong central government tendencies. While we are talking about nature of our Indian Constitution, we try to see whether we are federal or whether we are unitary. Both together forms Indian Constitution. The second aspect which we have taken from Canadian Constitution is advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court, where Supreme Court plays an advisory role to advise the legislatures on the various laws which can come up. The central appointment of governors of state, residuary power of the central. From Australian Constitution, we have taken the aspect of concurrent list under the 7th schedule of our Constitution, freedom of trade and commerce, joint sitting of 2 houses of the parliament. From France, we have taken the idea of liberty, equality, fraternity and republic, which comes under the preamble of our Constitution. From Japan, we took the aspect of procedure established by law, which is contemplated under Article 21 of our Constitution. So the makers of our Constitution did their best. They also took lots of best examples from across the countries to understand and make our Constitution more stronger. Hope this video was informative. Thank you for watching.
Hope the information contained in this video was useful to you. We look forward to each one of your support and cooperation in making this initiative a success. For more details about the trust, do visit us at www.legalaidtrust.in. Kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates about various law-related educational videos. Thank you for watching us and have a good day.